One of my favorite tools in my craft area allows me to pick up small pieces of paper and gems and things like that and apply them to my cards with little effort, and I don't have to fumble with my fingers. Today I want to share with you how to create one of these handy tools all by yourself with something you probably already have in your craft room. Let's take a look at it. So this is the tool I'm talking about. It's called the Take Your Pick tool. It has a putty tip as well as several other interchangeable pieces. But this piece right here is so helpful. You can use it to pick up small pieces of paper, even tiny ones, much smaller than this. That would be really hard to pick up with my fingers. And this is what I use it for all the time. I can press and pick up my gems and I can apply them to my cards easily with it. But let's say you don't have one of these and you want to make one yourself. Here's what you need. Some glue and something that you are going to turn into your grabber tool. I'll call it a grabber tool from now on since we're making it ourselves. This is a paintbrush. You could do this on a Q-tip, a pen, or a pencil. Lots of different options. But what I did, this glue in particular, after it's dry, it still stays sticky. It's great for making things that are removable, like masks or stencils. I use it all the time for all kinds of different things. But what I did, I took a big drop, I put it right on the tip of my paintbrush, and I have let that dry. Now that it's dry, it's very sticky. So you may want to put it against your skin to pick up some oils, put it against your shirt to pick up a little bit of lint, make it slightly less sticky. And let's try it out. Look at that. It picks up my gem and I can apply it to my card. I just love this. This is such a helpful tool. I love my Take Your Pick tool, but if you want to make one at home, here's a great way to do it. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Let me know what quick tips you want to hear about in the future, problems you have in your craft room that I can help you solve. If you're interested in products, I always have links in the video description below. Thanks for being here. I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.